Hello, I am Reba Kingsley, head shotgun sports coach at Upper Iowa University. So a little bit about me and how I ended up here in my shooting background. So I shot collegiately 4 years at Midland University in Fremont, Nebraska. After graduation, I had a few jobs, internships, and things that I did, and I ended up moving back to the area I lived in, Waverly, Iowa. Fayette is about 40 minutes from there, and they had a coaching position available for starting a shotgun sports team. So since November 2019, I was hired on staff here, and since then have been building the shotgun sports program at Upper Iowa. 2020-2021 was our first season of having student athletes on campus competing in our program. So prior to my experience in coaching at Upper Iowa, in college I coached gymnastics, and then when I moved back home to the area, some of my neighbor kids knew I moved back and that I shot and wanted to start shooting. So with them we started a community kind of club team around us, and I've been coaching them. And then from there I furthered kind of my skills and knowledge by attending coaching classes, clinics, and getting my certifications. So I have my certifications through the Iowa DNR and their shotgun program, my NRA shotgun, as well as the National Sporting Clays Association and National Skeet Shooting Association certifications as well. So look forward to meeting you and having you here at Upper Iowa University.